How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this Dreo heater. Specifically, this is the Atom 316, and we did get the gold color of this, so I'm really excited to go check out what it looks like and what all comes in the box. After we take this out of the box, we'll definitely do a really quick demonstration and even test the actual temperature that it puts out. So in the box, they give us a user's manual or a quick start guide, and then here is the heater itself. It comes with a pretty unique round design, and it looks like we even get a remote. So let me go ahead and unpackage all this and get back to you guys when all the plastic's off. All right, so here's everything that you guys get in the box. We have the quick start guide, a manual under here, and then we have the remote. And I did save the best part of this for you guys. We have a little tab here that we're gonna remove, and that should actually let the remote function. So we have a pretty long cable on this thing. I'm guessing it's probably about 5 feet long. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now and start the actual demo portion of this unboxing. So when I plugged it in, you guys should have heard that beep. And something important for you guys to know is it doesn't look like this heater actually rotates. But let's go ahead and turn it on and go see what features we do get on this heater. So as soon as I turned it on with the remote, I heard a beep over here. And it looks like all the controls that you guys have on the remote, you also have up top. So it already do feel the heat, and it's been on for maybe, I don't know, 15 to 20 seconds. And it's only on the medium heat mode right now. So the first heating mode is 1000 watts. The second heating mode is 1300 watts. And then the last heating mode is actually 1500 watts. If you guys are worried about energy consumption, there is even an eco mode, and it will automatically adjust its actual heat setting based on the ambient temperature of the room. So this can function just as a fan. So I'm gonna press this, and the screen's on the front, so I need to rotate it. But this is on the fan mode, and we could tell because there's a little fan icon, and the heat is slowly going away. So this is nice just for ventilation in the bathroom or wherever you guys set this up. So I'm gonna press this button right here to go through the settings. So now we're back on the standard heating mode. So there we could press plus or minus to change the actual setting. So now we're back to the normal heating mode where it says H1, H2, H3. H3 is the highest heating mode, H1's the lowest. You could cycle through that with the plus and minus. Or if you guys press the setting button one more time, we get access to the eco mode, and it shows us the temperature right there. So I think a lot of people will probably be pretty interested in the eco mode. Then if you guys are worried about children messing around with the settings on this thing, you guys could actually lock it by pressing the clock button up here or the timer button and holding it for 3 seconds. It also does come with a 12-hour timer, so you guys could just keep pressing the clock icon up here to continually increase up to 12 hours for the timer. Something else that I do like is that they give us a nice handle on the back, and while we're almost finishing up here, I do want to do one final test and see if this automatically turns off if it gets knocked over. So hopefully I don't break it here, but we're just gonna do that. Okay, so it figured out that it got knocked over. You guys could hear it beeping, and on the front, it already started its automatic countdown to turn off. This does not turn off immediately, even when you press the power button, just because it likes to cool off all the components on the inside with the fan before it turns off. This is really helpful actually for prolonging the life of your heater. So overall, this thing seems to get really hot fast. It is a smaller heater, but it does provide a good amount of airflow and a lot of heat. If you guys are just looking for something in the bathroom to quickly heat up the room, this is a great choice for that.